So we have this Mazda in the shop here today, and we're going to restore these headlights. We call it headlight correction. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove all this yellow and frosted look on the outside here, polish them back out, make them nice and clear again, and then we're going to seal them up with a 10-year paint protection film. And this, once it's sealed up, this will keep them from ever doing this ever again. So the car won't look so aged. They'll have great light transmission coming out of the light so they can see better at night and people can see them much better. So let's get started on this. All right, so we've removed that crusty layer that was on the headlight, and you can see it's not very clear now. We start the polishing process next, and once the polishing process is done, then we'll protect it. Okay, so we've done the correction on this. Now it's time for the protection. Anthony's polishing out that driver's side headlight. I'm going to make it look nice and clear just like this one. This one looks almost like brand new again, doesn't it? We're going to grab some Suntech Ultra film, paint protection film, and we'll apply this to the headlight. All right, so that's it. We're all done. We've corrected the problem with the headlights. We've protected the headlights. They'll never have to worry about them ever turning yellow or chalky white again. We warranty that for 5 years. If you need your headlights done, give us a call or stop by the shop. The service takes anywhere from an hour to 2 hours to totally complete. And again, like I said, it comes with a 5-year warranty.